Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the changes that Microsoft is rolling out with the release of Windows 11 build 26120.3073 or KB5050090 and the dev and beta channels. Starting with this release, Microsoft is making available the same preview in the dev and beta channels. And moving forward, both channels will include the same changes for the 24H2 development. The beta channel now gets the new builds as an optional install, but in the future, the company will update these devices automatically. Okay, let's dive into the changes for the latest preview build for Windows 11. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything, and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Okay, first, this release includes another update for the Windows search experience, which allows you to find images stored in the cloud using natural language. For example, if you have taken pictures while cycling, you can simply search for mountain biking, as you can see right here, or type any text that will describe that image. Then the search experience should be able to show the relevant results, as you can see right here. This enhancement is an additional work, part of the semantic indexing experience that brings AI functionalities to the search feature on Windows 11. The ability to search images with natural language is available for devices using the Microsoft account and are connected to the internet. If you have a work or school account, you will only see the matches for the keywords. It's important to know that this improvement is gradually rolling out for Copilot Plus PCs using Snapdragon processors. Support for AMD and Intel Copilot Plus PCs will arrive in future updates, so regular computers without an NPU will not get this feature. On the homepage for the Settings app on build 26120.3073 adds a couple cards to show enterprise-specific information for the device and accessibility preferences. One of those cards is the one that you can see right here at the bottom of the page, where you can see some information about the technical specifications for the computer. Also, manage computers logged in using a Microsoft account, in addition to the work account, will also see another card indicating the presence of different accounts. So those are pretty much the biggest changes that we're going to see in the beta and dev channels for this particular release. Also, as always, Microsoft is introducing a few fixes, more specifically for the taskbar, File Explorer, settings, and other areas of the operating system. In addition, Microsoft recently rolled out the Windows 11 build 27783 in the Canary channel with a few improvements. For example, on File Explorer, when you open the homepage, you will now notice a new Share tab, which is this one right here. And this tab is going to show the list of files that has been shared with you through email, team chats, and other apps. This feature is available for regular consumers using a Microsoft account and commercial customers sign in with the Microsoft Entra ID account. Now, in this preview, Microsoft is also updating the Magnifier interface with two new buttons, including this one right here, which resets the zoom to fit the screen, and this one right here that resets the zoom to the last or preferred magnification. In addition, Microsoft is adding the Control-Alt- keyboard shortcut to toggle between the current zoom and 1x zoom more quickly. Microsoft recently introduced the Administrator Protection feature to add an extra layer of security when running apps that requires elevation. I do have a video explaining and showing you how to enable and disable this feature, so check the video description to get the link to that video. But how this relates to what's new for the Canary channel? Well, now if you have enabled this feature and then we go to the Settings app, now we're going to notice that the Administrator Protection feature is more integrated into the Settings app. For example, if we go to System and then we try to open the For Developers page, we're going to see that now, because those are advanced features, we have to authenticate. And even for some specific features, for example, if I want to turn on developer mode, it will also require to authenticate, to elevate and make those changes to the system. And then we get this option to confirm and turn on the feature. But that's only for some of the features on the Settings app. For example, if I want to turn this on and off, that will not require me to authenticate to enable or disable the feature. As per usual, Microsoft is also pushing some fixes in the Canary channel, as you can see on the screen. And that's it. Those are the biggest changes that we're going to see in this release of Windows 11 for the beta, dev, and Kennedy channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes. Also, let me know the type of content that you would like me to continue covering more on the channel. Also, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.